If you're seeing a Pixlr service unavailable error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This problem is usually caused by Pixlr's servers, browser cache, extensions, or a network issue, and in most cases, you can get back into the editor in just a few minutes. So stay with me, follow along in order, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to check and how to fix it. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's check whether the problem is actually on Pixlr's end. Open your browser and go to isitdownrightnow.com. In the search bar, type Pixlr and check the status report. If you see a spike in outage reports, that usually means the service is temporarily down for everyone, not just you. In that case, the best fix is simply to wait about 15 minutes and try again later. If the servers are working normally, then the issue is most likely on your device or browser, so let's move on to the next step. Now force reload the page. A normal refresh often brings back the same broken or outdated cached version of the site, which can keep the error going. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This tells your browser to download a fresh copy of the page instead of using stored data. After that, try opening Pixlr again and see if the error is gone. This is one of the quickest fixes, so don't skip it. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is Incognito Mode or private browsing. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions, can sometimes interfere with Pixlr and stop it from loading correctly. Open a new incognito window in Chrome or a private window in Firefox, then go to pixlr.com again. If the site loads properly in this mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the problem. To fix that, go back to your normal browser window and disable extensions one by one until you find the one that's blocking Pixlr. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted site data is one of the most common reasons for the service unavailable message. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, plus cached images and files. Set the time range to all time for the cleanest reset, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Pixlr again. This step often fixes loading errors that keep coming back. If you're still getting the error, the issue may be related to your network's DNS cache. DNS helps your computer find the correct address for Pixlr, and if that cache gets stuck, the site may fail to load. On Windows, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Then type the command exactly as shown on screen, ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter, and you should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was flushed. After that, restart your browser and try Pixlr again. If you want, you can also reconnect your Wi-Fi or restart your router for an extra network refresh. The last fix is to toggle hardware acceleration. Sometimes browser graphics settings conflict with Pixlr's WebGL engine, which can cause the service unavailable error or make the editor behave strangely. Go into your browser settings and search for acceleration. If Use Graphics Acceleration is turned on, switch it off. If it's already off, try turning it on instead. Then relaunch the browser so the change can take effect. This simple setting change can make a big difference, especially if the site is loading but not displaying correctly. By now, you should have a much better chance of getting Pixlr working again. Start with the server check, then force refresh, test in incognito, clear cache and cookies, flush DNS, and finally adjust hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the Pixlr service unavailable error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.